Hey there, gamers. Are you looking for the ultimate handheld gaming experience? Look no further, because the R36's retro handheld video game console has got you covered. With its open-source Linux system and built-in emulator, supporting a wide range of classic games, this console is a gamer's dream come true. Featuring a 3.5-inch IPS full lamination MIPI screen and a high-precision joystick, the R36's delivers smooth gameplay and stunning visuals. And with more than 10,000 selected classic games pre-installed, you'll never run out of gaming options. But that's not all. This handheld console supports downloading and collecting games, as well as online fighting and streaming media, making it a versatile entertainment device. Whether you're a fan of MAME, N64, PS1, Neo Geo, FC, SFC, MD, CPS1, or CPS2 CPS3 games, this console has got you covered. The R36's retro handheld video game console is not just a gaming device, it's a multifunctional entertainment powerhouse. Its 8W cavity speaker and 3500 mAh battery ensure long hours of immersive gaming, and the Type-C charging interface and OTG data port provide convenience and versatility. So, why wait? Elevate your gaming experience with the R36's retro handheld video game console. Order now and get ready to embark on a gaming journey like no other. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing device. Happy gaming!